Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. I am Anwar Gori. I am a manager of sector for teaching development of Buildteck Group. I work here since 2009. As a quality professional, I learned 6 months. I have not found any suitable place to apply these things. That time I introduced with Buildtech team, and they are come here to working in our another plant plant named Forest Fashion. That time I joined with them as a project coordinator. I learned lots of things with Buildtech, safety methodology, OSR methodology, KPI, how to implement KPI, how to implement PMS system, how to implement PMS audits effectively, compliance audit, and there are lots of things I have previous knowledge, but I don't know how to apply it practically, like people card, the 5S system, the rate tech system. It is improve our defect correction on time, and there are lots of things. Especially I learned a factory or organization how to reset up or newly set up. Confidently I can handle it now. So after the working time, I enjoyed with working with them. I hope Buildtech also enjoy work with me. Especially Mr. Mudishan and Mr. Gamini is very helpful, and they show me what I am capable of. They help to improve my self-confidence, and I definitely tell that it's a professional rebirth of mine with Buildtech. I confidently tell if I appoint a new plan to set up or reprocess or reset up, I can easily handle with my knowledge, so what I learned from Buildtech. If I told about Buildtech's improvement, it takes more than 1 hour. But shortly I am telling, they change our way of working. They change my life also, and what is the most important thing I learned about from Buildtech. This is our planning system was conventional way, and they show me how to effectively do a plan, to optimize a plan, to monitor a plan, to track a plan, and to execute a plan. This is very important for a production factory. So I hope Buildtech will reach their goal one day, and they will become a leading consultancy firm in Asia, inshallah. Going forward, I eagerly waiting for working with Buildtech again in my life. If I get a chance, no, I don't know, but I always wish for best and their success from bottom of my heart for Buildtech. Thank you.